How to apply for a Luxembourg business or investment visa from Nigeria. Are you a Nigerian entrepreneur or investor looking to expand into Europe? Maybe you're tired of the limits of doing business in Nigeria and you're ready to tap into the EU market legally and securely. Then this video is for you. Hi, I am Betty, an immigration consultant here at Law and Visas, and today I'll walk you through exactly how to apply for a Luxembourg business or investment visa from Nigeria. Now, let's get one thing straight. Luxembourg may be a small country, but it's one of the richest and most business-friendly nations in Europe. With its low corporate tax rate, stable economy, and access to the European single market, it's the perfect place to start or expand your business. So, how do you, as a Nigerian, qualify for the Luxembourg business visa? First, this visa is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to start a new business in Luxembourg or invest in an existing one. Your business could be in any sector, from tech to retail to consulting, as long as it's legal and has a clear economic benefit to the country. To apply, here's what you need. You'll need a solid business plan, and I don't mean something vague. You'll need to show detailed financial projections, your operational model, and your strategy for growth. You should also show how your business will create jobs or add value to Luxembourg's economy. You also need proof of funds as of now. A minimum investment of around €25,000 to €100,000 is expected, depending on the type of business. But keep in mind this can change, so please check our website or speak to us directly for the latest updates. Other required documents include your valid Nigerian passport, a police clearance certificate, health insurance, your academic and professional credentials, and of course, your residence and investment documentation in Luxembourg, such as your lease agreement, partnership contracts, or proof of business registration. Once your documents are ready, you'll need to submit a request for temporary authorization to stay with the Ministry of Immigration in Luxembourg. If that's approved, you can then apply for the long stay visa type D through the Belgium Embassy in Nigeria, since Luxembourg doesn't have its own consulate here. After arrival in Luxembourg, you'll need to complete a residence permit application within 3 months. That includes registering your address and going for a medical check. Now, here's where many applicants make mistakes. The most common reason for rejection: weak business plans or unverified source of funds. Many Nigerians also fail to legalize their documents or don't show proof of genuine business ties to Luxembourg. This is where working with professionals like us makes a huge difference. At Law and Visas, we help you prepare a bankable business plan, guide you through the documentation process, and ensure your application meets the standards of the Luxembourg immigration authorities. And just a quick disclaimer here: visa fees and financial thresholds may change, so the information shared is current as of now. Always check the official website for the latest updates. If you're ready to take your business global and Luxembourg is on your radar, don't waste time guessing your way through the process. Book a consultation today at www.lawandvisas.com. The link is in the description below. Let's help you get started the right way. And if you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. For quick tips and updates, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Law and Visas, and share this video with a friend who's been talking about starting a business abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and remember, every successful relocation starts with good information and the right partner.